Kusha and Cabo Fambolem. This na IB Blog Online TV. Me where they bring this news, me na Maggie Kagbo. Well, Fambolem tell they can't talk about well body business, where the Ministry of Health don't they talk about because the safetyness of them people are their first priority. And until we all know say millions of people can go this Hajj, and we get us 4 sets of badge we get for come this Saturday, the 6th of July, 2024, when a 267 get for come. But now that make the Ministry of Health say them for take precautions because them people then they don't go jam up with many millions of people them where they no can tell how sick they don't go take. So now that make they don't set a 10 station for do a test where they get for do 1 swap for 14 sickness. So now that make them say them people there where they come. Their safetyness na their first priority. And we when they can meet also with safetyness na their first priority. So now that make the Ministry of Health say they want for ensure say they protect them people there where they come. And I don't want make you fear. No stress yourself say, hey, na COVID we don't get. No, then just they protect them people and they foresee say them people and their lives they matter. Important to them because now they're not Sierra Leoneans them. Now that make they don't put all this precaution in order. No stress yourself. Today, the IB Blog Online TV, we go up at this workshop. I want me to watch the video.
The purpose of this press conference as an emergency is that we are expecting our pilgrims who visited Saudi Arabia this year for the purpose of Hajj. We are expecting them to depart on Saturday. The first flight will be coming on Saturday. But as we all know, the gathering in Mecca, the annual gathering for Hajj, is one of the most the gathering that is very intensive in the sense. I don't think there's any global gathering that can bring up to 2 million people together. That is the situation in Mecca. And this is drawing people from all over the world. I don't think there's any single country that does send people to Mecca for Hajj. There's not a single country. So when the whole world is melting in one position, it is virtually impossible to maintain social distancing. That's for sure. And because out of abundance of precaution, we here as the National Public Health Agency and the Minister of Health, Minister of Social Welfare, and the government of Australia generally, we want to take precaution to safely receive our pilgrims back home and to ensure that they are safe. The family members who are going to receive them are safe. The Hajj committee members that are going to also to be there to grace the occasion are safe. When they go and reintegrate with their families, they are also safe. That is why we have called you here to discuss with you, for you to take out the information you don't know. You are one of our reliable partners in public health response, because getting the information to the public is very, very important. And we want to make sure you take out the correct information to the public. Let me make it very clear. It has been declared that COVID-19 is no longer a public health threat of international concern. It's no longer a public health threat of international concern, COVID-19. But it is still a public health issue of national concern. I hope you catch the difference. It is not a public health interest of international concern, but it is still a public health concern of national concern, because we are still testing people for COVID. Even though we don't have any COVID measures in place again at the airport or the roadblocks or wherever, checking outside, we are no longer doing that. But then we are still testing people who show up at their facilities with signs and symptoms of COVID. We need to still test them. So that's why I said it's public health concern of national interest. It's no longer of international interest. Nevertheless, we have to take precautions to prevent. After people have visited Mecca, with the number of people that gather there, over 2 million a year, and with the not possibility of having maintained social distance, and look at the age of the people that are traveling to Hajj. So we want to take precaution to make sure we receive them home safely. The Hajj committee members that will go up to the airport or at the government work to receive them, they are also safe. And when they go back to their respective homes, they are able to safely, reintegrate with their family members, the loved ones, even in the mosques, in masjid. If we're going there to pray for people, we want to make sure they are safe.
Well, until you don't watch the video, no stress yourself, no wonder say if I get this sick here. Now that make them say this trip, they no get for isolate anybody where they get for suspect say they get this sick. Then they make sure say then give you all your precautions them where you for take if you will get them. But then they make sure say they go before the sick in can before them. Now that made they don't go, they don't step forward now. Make you no go stress yourself. Say, hey, we can't get COVID. No. Now people them wait and see say we well body business. Now the first priority. Because prevention is better than cure. And that made the Ministry of Health don't see say now that's it for them. So may we join hand and help fight with the Ministry of Health and see say we all safe and sound na Mama Saloon. Me when they bring this news, me na Marika go from IB Blog Online TV.